Thrings tries very hard to look at client expectations and understand what it is that every client needs.
Clients want and need their lawyers to be accessible.
They expect them to be able to do their job, to know the law, to know how to apply the law.
They want their lawyers to be responsive, available.
Sometimes they just need a sounding board as to how they're approaching a problem, what are my thoughts on it, is there anything they're missing.
Increasingly they expect you to know them, to know what they're trying to do.
They need you to have a very good understanding of who they are, and importantly what they want to achieve.
Seeing their business, seeing where they work on a day-to-day basis, finding out about what makes them tick and how we can help them.
I think there are a number of things that go towards a really strong, healthy client-lawyer relationship. Trust is really important.
Developing that bond of trust is really key, because otherwise how can we help them? We need to understand what it is they seek.
Ultimately, clients come to us and they want to know that they can trust the way that we're going to look after them and give them the right legal advice.
Really getting to know them, getting to like them, and them getting to like us is quite key.
When people feel comfortable, they share. When people share, they're giving you information that they may not even think is important, but that is absolutely crucial.
When it comes to talking about price and talking about fees, clients want honesty, they want openness. Ultimately, they want transparency. They don't want surprises.
Our clients are in business, we're in business, and the best approach that you can have is to be open with your clients, to talk frankly about fees and costs.
There is a level of choice that as a firm we offer, because we appreciate that every client isn't the same.
Gone are the days when a client simply pays an hourly rate. We at Thrings can offer a range of options for a client to choose, so it best suits them and their business. I think the role of a lawyer is changing. I think gone are the days where there are high street offices where clients come to see lawyers.
The way I work at the moment is very different from the way I was working 5 or 10 years ago, so it will change. We've got to be ready for that change and plan ahead.
As technology changes, we as lawyers need to embrace that technology and interact with our clients differently.
The fundamental thing is to be flexible, to see what's happening and evolve as it happens.
One thing that will never change is the fact that we do interact with clients. It is a people business.
People talk to people. And I know that people have been talking to people from day one, and that will never change, you know. The technology is a wonderful thing, but at the end of the day, there is nothing more important than the actual relationship itself.
I think at Thrings we're different. It's very easy to say that, but I've worked at a number of law firms and it's true.
The one thing that always stands out for me is the acceptance and the encouragement of being different.
As a firm, you can tell us apart because we're all full of individuals.
And we're allowed to be different and we're encouraged to be different. And you can see it, you walk through the office and there are some crazy personalities.
We are people. We are relationship-based people.
And I think Thrings' appreciation and value on the person is actually really quite important and what makes us stand out.
I guess all we can really do is listen to what our clients have said about us. You know, that they've said that we are their trusted advisors. They've said that we're more than lawyers. And those are huge compliments.
Thrings in 3 words.
Brilliant.
Pragmatic.
Honest.
Fun.
Transparent.
Excellence.
Relationships.
Relationships.
If I was asked to sum up Thrings in 3 words, I would say passionate about people.